Alright, this is a short video featuring a Singer Model 128. This is a 3/4 size machine. It has a vibrating shuttle, which is referring to the shuttle type bobbin mechanism. Looks like a little bullet. It's in nice condition. Some minor wear on the decals, but overall the paint's fairly nice. No crackling, crazing, or peeling. Comes in the original leather-covered wooden case. It uses standard 15x1 needles, and it's a low shank machine. This one's kind of neat. It has a black side face plate. It was made in, I believe, 1919. But it's surprisingly smooth for a shuttle machine. I'm not too fond of the shuttles because they are normally pretty rough, but this one is not. If you didn't know it was a shuttle, it would be very hard to tell. Serviced and ready to go. Comes with one bobbin. Don't have any more to include with it. And I'll also link to a web page that shows you up close how to thread the shuttle, which can be kind of confusing. I got 4 layers of denim. Different machine. And that's your Singer Model 128 vibrating shuttle machine.